Happy 4th of July, Big Tractor Power fans, from a field located in western Kentucky, where a 310 engine horsepower Spirit of 76 edition STEIGER Panther II model ST310 articulated four-wheel drive tractor is working on tillage with a 25-foot wide International 490 tandem disc. The Spirit of 76 tractor was manufactured to celebrate the bicentennial of the United States in 1976. Typically, Series II STEIGER tractors were painted in lime green in the mid-1970s, but the company built 37 American flag-themed tractors to celebrate the 200th birthday of the country. It'll be interesting to see if other tractor manufacturers bring back the patriotic themed tractor coloring for the 250th birthday of the United States that will take place in 2026. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing the Spirit of 76 STEIGER Panther II ST310 articulated four-wheel drive tractor at work. This is one of my all-time favorite tractors because of its patriotic theme and American flag red, white, and blue paint scheme. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video what your all-time favorite tractor is. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional videos in the Tractors at Work series from Big Tractor Power YouTube, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to those videos. As always, thank you for watching.